Here we're looking at Sunnyside Road in the Cobridge test area. So we're travelling down this road and it's a two-way street. But once you get to here, the school, it now becomes a one-way street. So here's some clues. As you can see on the right hand side, we've got the arrows for a one-way street. And travelling down here on the floor, you'll see the paintwork, which is an arrow again designating one-way street, and also all the cars are facing forward. So now we travel up to the top of the road, so even with all those clues, many people still get in the position to turn right from the left. This potentially could cause you a foul, as you can see that vehicle getting past us on the right. So it's a little bit confusing for everyone. So here we managed to get over, but have we caused other people a problem? So if we change this and go back, take a look, we're going right, so we know it's a one-way street, so we get straight over in the right. This means any vehicles wanting to turn left can pass us on the left.